Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to make delicious jelly mooncakes in just a few simple steps. First, gather all the necessary ingredients, which include jelly powder, water, food coloring, and mooncake molds of your choice. Next, dissolve the jelly powder in hot water and mix until it is fully incorporated. Once the mixture is ready, add a few drops of food coloring to achieve the desired hue for your mooncakes. Stir the mixture well, making sure the color is evenly distributed throughout. Now, carefully pour the jelly mixture into the mooncake molds, filling them up to about 3/4 full, leaving space for the filling. Once the molds are filled, place them in the refrigerator and allow the jelly to set for about 15 minutes. While the jelly is setting, prepare the filling of your choice, which can be fruit, custard, or even chocolate ganache. Remove the molds from the refrigerator, and using a small spoon, create a small well in the center of each mooncake. Carefully spoon the filling into the well, making sure not to overflow the mold. Once all the mooncakes are filled, carefully pour the remaining jelly mixture over the filling, ensuring that it covers the filling entirely. Return the molds to the refrigerator and allow the mooncakes to set for at least 2 hours or until firm. Once the mooncakes are fully set, remove them from the molds by gently tapping the bottom of each mold. If necessary, lightly warm the molds with your hands to loosen the mooncakes. Arrange the mooncakes on a serving platter and they are ready to be enjoyed. The vibrant colors and delightful flavors of these jelly mooncakes are sure to impress your friends and family. So, now that you know how simple it is to make homemade jelly mooncakes, go ahead and give it a try. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and exciting tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy mooncake making!